We're in the arena tonight. Fed Rocket and Shiloh together. And they're kind of running around and acting up a little bit. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Get out of here, kitty. Get killed. Come on! Come on, big man! Come on, Shy! Come on! What you gonna do? Run, girl! Come on! Where are you going? Nope. Get out of here. Come on. Now, guys, we got to go back out, and he's going to be acting up again. He's going to be acting up again. What are we going to do? Hmm? Huh? What are we going to do? Rocket. Come on. Where are you going? Shy Guy. Where are you going? Trying to keep the cats out of here. Where are you going to go? There you go. Woo! Kick it again, Rock. Woo! Woo! Hey, buddy. Do it again. Oh, we're snorting a lot today. We're snorting a lot today, guys. What are you going to do now? Oh, the babies are going to make you buck because they've been bucking. Woo, there you go. There you go. Are you going to buck too and show them how it's done? Huh? That's a chair, guys. What are you going to do? Uh-oh, here he comes back. Here he comes back. There you go, Rocket. Go show him. Show him. Show him. Look at all that dust. My goodness. Oh, come on, Shaq. Show him how it's done. Show him how it's done, girl. Where are you going to go? What are you going to do? Where are you going? Here comes Rocket. Hey, buddy. Say hello. Now you better be nice. Rocket. He's going to get a whipping. Should we call it a night, guys? You want to run one more time? How about if I make you run? Woo! Yeah! You gonna go back? What are you gonna do? You wanna do it one more time? Or are you gonna do it on your own this time? Oh, there you go. Oh, my goodness. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. One more time. Here we go. One more time, okay, guys? Oh. 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 Whoa, Rock. You're excited. Where are you going? Oh. Calm down, guys. All right. Oh, are you going to do it one more time? Okay. Oh, now we're going both ways. Woo! Oh, we got a finger. Shiloh Joy. That was slick. I thought we were done. Are we not? Woo! Watch out. Woo! Whoa. I better get out of the way. Better get out of the way. They're going crazy on me. I think we need to calm down, guys. My goodness. We are very excited. We are very excited. It's all right. Are you done? What are we going to do now? That dust bothers your nose, doesn't it, Rock? Uh-oh, here he comes. Now, we have to go out that way, guys. I think we're done. Are you okay? You ready to go back? Are we good? One more time, I think. One more time, guys. I think I better halt you up and have you stand there for a minute. You're excited. Uh-oh, I think we're going to do it again. I think we're going to do it again. No, maybe not. You going to run? You going to run? Are we okay? Okay. I think we're calmed down now. Couple more minutes. Making our way back. Are you all right? Hi. You ready to go back? She looked kind of wild-eyed, Rocket. You look a little wild-eyed. Shiloh's pretty calm. Okay. We'll say goodbye for now, Shy Shy. I think we're done for the night. That was pretty cool, though. Goodbye. Say goodbye, guys.